How to make 3 or more videos split screen effect on CapCut PC. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a split screen effect on 3 or multiple videos. Let's just jump right into it. First thing you're going to have to do is import 3 videos on your CapCut PC. So I have here 3 of my videos imported, so I'm just going to add all of them to my timeline. Once you've added them, you can move them to a different layer and move them on 3 different separate layers. So let's just adjust the size of the video so that it is all a even size and the same time. And once you have adjusted the size, what you're going to do is click on the first video and change its opacity. So go ahead and click on the basic option, scroll down, and you're going to decrease its opacity. Do the same thing for everything. So click on it, go ahead and click on this blend option and then decrease the opacity slightly. So move it to around 70%. So I'm just going to go ahead and select 70 here. I'm just going to go ahead and enter 70. Once you have done that, you could just go ahead and do the same for all of the 3 videos. So I'm going to do the same for this one as well. Decrease it to around 70. And the same for this as well. Once you have done all of this, you can create a mask. So as you can see, you could easily see the overlay or the overview of 3 different videos. So what I'm going to do here is create an overlay. So go to the mask tab, select the horizontal mask. So click on add mask and then select a horizontal mask. So click on the split option and then move it like this. So let's say if I want it horizontal, I'm going to flip it like this. So on the left side, I want my top video. Let's move it around here. Do the same thing, add another mask on this layer, add mask, and then strip, flip it around like so. Now you can add it to your choice. So I'm going to add this, something like that. Move it here. And here you go, 3 different layers. Now you're going to increase the opacity of it. Go to basic, blend, and increase the opacity to 100%. Do the same for all of these videos. And then you're good to go. Now if I play it, all 3 videos will now play side by side. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.